taping, dear?
I am. This is David's nail removal. Bruce's nail removal service or something.
Removal service.
Dr. Lockhart's.
Dr. Lockhart. This is to save $500 from the emergency room.
Dr. Lockhart's the attending physician. Here we're going to tape this thumb down.
Take the whole hand.
So that when the downward force doesn't rotate the thumb out and create an angle on it.
100 pounds of that. Just right, start grabbing.
Because we want to get a good clean yank and pull the first time.
Probably don't want to get too tight around the end of that thumb so you're not putting pressure on that, right? Want to come down around here too?
Okay. It's all locked in there pretty good.
I just don't want it to move.
Alright.
I'm going to cry when you pull the tape off and it pulls my hair.
Oh, you got hairy knuckles there, dude. Hairy knuckle Dave. How's that feel?
It's pretty tight.
Alright. Are we ready?
No, but...
Alright. Don't look away. Okay, we're done.